Pat!
Say bueno. Be nice.
Bueno.
Say bueno. You. Bonito. Say bueno.
Alright, last day here. It's early. We're going to catch sunrise. Actually, sun's already up. We're going to get an early morning session in and then finish getting packed up. And it's always a bittersweet day, but we're going to jump in the water, make the best of it.
Like, who's a good boy? I was talking to the other one, and then she comes around and he's like, it's all about bonito.
Right. Palms are looking good. Bunch of new shoots coming up in the middle. Still getting rain, which is good. It rained again last night, so everything I transplanted is still rolling. I got to do a banana tree update before I leave here today too. So yeah, we'll get one more surf in here and then it's off to Managua and off to the airport. Gonna miss it, but I'll be back in a couple months. What are you doing? Hey! Hey! Bonito! What are you doing? Hi! Hi! What are you doing, bud? Sun's up. It's maybe 7 in the morning here. We're gonna head to Managua around lunch. Pretty much packed. Short stay, but got a bunch of stuff done, so that's good. So feel a little bit better. See what she does. Getting warm now. As soon as that cloud cover disappeared. Someone's waiting again. Bonito. We're gonna walk down a little bit here. Yeah, they hope. Alright, time for me to go jump in, get a couple waves, and then we'll get packed up and get at it. Yeah. Oh. Bit of a paddle. Quite a few double ups out here this morning. I got one. And it's odd because they look good, but they're not. So we'll get one or two and then call it. She goes. Freight train or running. Woo. Spit, baby. Yeah. Woo. Spit. I may be undergunned. Being out here now, maybe the swell's picking up. 5/8 quad fish isn't really overhead barrel material. Looked playful this morning, but apparently she's picking up. So might have to go in and do a gear change if I got time. If not, we'll just call it. We got a couple good ones, so we can always just call it, head in. So yeah, if you're enjoying me, make sure to hit the like and the subscribe. Appreciate the support. Leave a comment down below. But I think we're gonna go in, go make some breakfast, some coffee, and get packed up. See you in a bit. Cranky. Definitely undergunned for how big it started getting now that the tide's dropping even more. I'm gonna have a shower here. I'll start getting packed up.